who is not educated, who didn't go school in a single day, so
You can
they
say
can.
everyone have different ability.
Right,
Some
so everyone
people
has a different.
don't waste time, don't
Right, so,
want to spend time. So without wastage time, actually I am a good businessman. I have a good business. Sometimes some buyer come in the shop and everything by God
thank you.
blesses.
But
Okay.
I don't have
So,
a command on this language. That's why I'm here.
eh,
Degrees, it
great,
doesn't matter for
great.
learning this language.
No need to frustrate. Will be achieve every goal, but it will take time only. Okay.
Yes, I know that.
No,
Yeah.
no need to worry. No need to worry.
Right, sir. So, sir, please could you introduce yourself?
Okay. Of course, by the way, my name is Sikandar Ali. I am talking from Mumbai.
Okay.
Okay. If I talk about qualification, education background, so I did class 6 for Hindi medium.
Okay.
If I talk about my profession, I am businessman. I have a good business. Okay.
Okay.
If I talk about my family background, my family, me and my wife, I have 3 kids, and with me my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law has only one daughter. That's why he lives
Okay.
with me. Okay.
Okay.
Now we talk about my hobbies. Hobbies are earn money and learn new thing every day. All it about for me, madam.
It is good. And your English is, sir, quite good. How did you enhance your speaking?
I talk only every day. I don't read. Uh, I don't study anything. I talk every day. Every day I talk.
Okay. And how long have you been learning English?
I have been learning this language for 1 year more than.
Okay.
You can say 14 years. 14 months. Sorry.
Okay, so yeah, it's very early and your speaking is very, very well. So earlier, you were saying that you qualified only sixth class in Hindi medium school. So how did you improve? What did you do for enhance your speaking earlier, 1 years ago? How did you start?
Actually, when I join, I talk every day for Josh Talk.
Okay,
Okay,
yes, I know.
Josh Talk platform is very good for beginner. So I
Okay,
talk maybe I took second time subscription Josh Talk.
okay,
So I go for walk morning time every day. So while coming, I talk. Okay, and whenever get time, daytime, because I'm businessman, so I
right.
talk video call. So if you talk about my enhance my language, so I watch and listen carefully. I talk. I use three things only.
Yes.
I listen carefully every word. I talk carefully. I watch conversation video. You can say a lot
Mm.
of Rajni Verma. You can say Arif Auto,
Yeah,
uh,
lots of YouTubers.
Karishma,
Yeah.
Karishma. So every conversation video I watch carefully. Okay.
Okay.
I don't write. I don't read. Okay.
That's
So you are mother of 2 kids. You how did you manage every time? How did manage?
Yeah, actually, sir, very well because we wanted to connect a long times, but we couldn't do it. It's the reason of my daughters that time. But yeah, that I am passionate about this language. I want to learn this language anyhow. So being a mother, yeah, I have to manage everything. And whenever my daughter she sleeps, my younger daughter, my elder daughter, she goes to her school. So I try to talk. It is way of my learning English. So, sir, you know that I have talked to lots of person, lots of learner. They said that I qualified only 8th class, 10th class, inter class. That's why my English is not good. So I know very well, yeah, education is not matter for learning this language because it is a learning, it is a language. Like when anyone can learn this language, even not who is not educated, who didn't go school in a single day, so they can learn this language.
Actually, behind reason, I would say that everyone have different ability.
Right, sir.
Okay, lot of politicians, haven't education, but he will become education minister.
Right, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
some politician haven't knowledge,
They have
uh,
no knowledge, right?
farming, but
Yes,
farmer minister.
right,
He
sir.
he will become farmer. Everyone has, you can say, everyone has different ability.
Right,
Some
so everyone
people,
has a different.
yes, some people use ability. Some people don't use ability.
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
you
So,
haven't education. You haven't education doesn't matter.
right,
English
sir.
is only language.
Right, sir.
I have knowledge. I have tongue. I am able to talk.
Right,
Okay.
sir. Language, anyone can learn this language. Any language, not only English language. Even we talk Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Odia, Gujarati, Hindi, Bhojpuri. So it is a language. So everyone can learn this language, but we have to practice. Without practice, we can't speak.
Practice. You have to spend time. Yes. A lot of people aspire to speak English, but
Yes,
don't waste time. Don't
right, sir.
want to spend time. So without wastage time, how can success? Tell me please.
Yes.
You have
No,
to spend time anyhow. Spend time only for learn.
right, sir.
Lot of people spend time movie, spend time song, play
Right,
cricket, play, lot of sing, play cricket, anything. Different people, different habit. If you have good
right, sir.
habit, you 100% you will be success one day. Okay.
Right, sir, definitely.
Don't use wrong time. Don't use wrong time because time is very important. One
Right,
time
sir.
one time you spend money doesn't matter, but one time you spend time, it is big matter because time is not earnable. Money is
Right, sir.
earnable.
We can earn money, but we can't
Yes,
earn time. Yeah.
can't earn time. Time is
Right, sir.
you will meet only one time, 1 second, 1 hour, one day, one year. Only you will meet one time. You will
Right,
not meet second time, same time.
right,
So
right.
you should cautious. You should cautious for time.
Conscience. Right, sir.
Yes, cautious time.
Okay. I would like to ask you, what is the reason for learning this language?
Oh, everyone asks same question. You actually, I am a good businessman. I have a good business. Sometimes some buyer come in the shop and speak English. So
Right.
how without English, my customer, abroad customer, sometimes come in the shop. So
Okay.
without English, how can I explain them?
No,
Okay,
I know. Yeah, every person has a own, goals for learning this language.
no. I haven't any goal because, but I want to increase myself. I
Mhm.
want to build confidence. Okay. There is no time to learn, madam. You can learn from mother life to graveyard till. You know,
Yes.
there is no time to learn. You are younger, doesn't matter. You are elder, doesn't matter. You are
Age
old
is
enough,
not barrier. Age is not barrier for learning anything.
can't stop your age. If you are passionate, you can learn anything. Okay,
Right.
but you know English, you can go America, you can go Japan, you can go everywhere. But you don't know English, you can't go. Only you have to leave India.
No,
Okay.
sir. In India, we can't. If I want to go, South India, even Maharashtra, their language is Marathi, but I
Yes.
don't know Marathi language, so I know only my native language. So yeah, it's language because it's a common language nowadays. Everyone is learning this language, so we can communicate easily. I don't have idea Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Gujarati, Marathi, but
Odia, you can say Odia, Odisha,
Odia, yeah, Odia.
Maharashtrian, Maharashtra. So
Marathi language.
if
So
you know
it's
English,
language for everyone.
if you know English, you can go anywhere easily.
Anyway, that's
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So do
So
you talk?
what your ambition? What your future plan, Madam Rinka?
Yeah, my future plan is I want to be a assistant professor.
Oh my yes, because you have kids, that's why uh,
That's
time is very
my
quite
first priority is my family, my
yes, yes.
daughters. Then
Everyone should be first family priority. Yes, yes.
that's
So have
so.
you seen Mumbai? You
I
have you
I have visited Pune, Goa,
Pune,
Gujarat,
Goa?
but yeah, I will come in. There is a one temple. It's a Sai temple, city.
Yes, yes. I know,
Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
Yes.
So I will come. Then I will explore all Mumbai. But my
Okay,
some
okay.
relatives, yeah, they live there.
Which area? Which area?
Uh, I think there is a one what we call Nala Sopara. I think.
Maybe 60 kilometer far from Mumbai, Nala
Oh,
Sopala.
okay. And where do you live, sir? In Mumbai? In which city?
CST, nearby CST.
CST.
Chhatrapati Shivaji
Chhatrapati.
Terminal. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
I obtain everything. By God bless. I belong here, Bihar, but
Okay.
yes,
Which district?
Gaya.
Okay, Gaya.
But I
Okay.
have been living since 2000 in Mumbai.
Since 2000.
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's long time.
And
So,
yes, all family settle here.
okay. So you're all family and you have taken your house.
Yes, yes, everything by God bless.
Your
House,
all
home,
kids there.
soap, everything.
Okay. So
If
2000, when you came to 2000 since 2000 in Mumbai, so that time you started your business. Yeah, you had been doing your business.
no, no, you can say I did a start business 1990,
Okay,
1990. First time I sold lemon
okay,
on head, on head. I used basket at that time. I had one basket and I took. I
Le-
used to buy some egg. Sorry, first time I sold 2 months lemon. Then I sold egg. After that
oh,
I sold sali. I did
oh.
multiple work in entire life. I did lot of work,
Yeah,
but
I know. Earlier, every person they lots of struggle their life, and then you achieve your goals, yeah, your dreams, and now your family has been settled there, and you are living with your family. So yeah, it's your hard work,
without hard work nothing happen, Prinka. Hard work is most important everywhere.
right? So without doing hard work, without doing
You don't know me, I don't know you, but you want to learn speak English. That's why you face different people. So it is hard
yes.
work. It is not easy work. So without hard work, nothing happens. If you want to learn, you have to talk anyhow.
But I am very glad, sir. No, I want to thanks to this language because we can connect easily every place, every person. Even otherwise, I don't know no other language, so I can't communicate anyone. But this language through we can connect a lots of person.
You can a lot of people, very good people,
That's
genuine. You can say genuine people, okay, and successful people. So I talk every day different people. That's why I am telling that.
Yeah,
So
because it is not easy. We can't no visit every place. Even I have talked Australia, Nepal, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Even our country, it's every part. So it is not possible. We can't visit any place. But while conversation, I feel very glad because through this application, I can talk.
yes, true. It is true. I talk Nepali people, Pakistani people.
Right.
One time I talk Nigerian people by So a lot of people you will meet
That
by online.
yesterday I have talked to one guy and he belongs Sri Lanka.
Okay, okay, okay. A Skype all India maybe, all world. You can talk
Yes,
all.
sir. Yeah, lots of person, lots of learner, they are using this application.
Yes,
It
yes.
is quite good, yeah, for learning. We can explore our things, we can share our journey, everything on this application.
So Priyanka, I would so like